Hello, welcome to the sixth topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is fractions, and this time we will be paying close attention to multiplication and division of fractions. In this topic, we would learn the multiplying a whole number by a fraction, multiplying fraction by a whole number, multiplying a fraction by another fraction, dividing a fraction by a whole number, dividing a whole number by a fraction, dividing a fraction by another fraction. Introduction to BODMAS. Applying BODMAS to solve problems on fraction and word problems on fractions. We believe that at the end of this topic, you should be able to solve many problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.